Hello. Hi, birdie birds. Hot dog? Yeah. Hot dog. Everybody gets a hot dog, right? Yeah. They're pretty babies. Gorgeous. Oh, I love those feet. These birds have no teeth. They just kind of feel it around and twist it until they could swallow it. That's why I cut the hot dogs up into little pieces now, to make it easier. I have no idea what they eat in nature, the way they eat. If they get little minnows and bugs and things, I have no idea. They might be diggers because they have a long beak. I don't know. They like hot dogs, they like fish. They like me. I like them. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. He's a pretty bird. Gorgeous. Hey, they said flamingos are starting to come back to Florida after 100 years, so we'll be finding flamingos soon. That'll be fun. Got one for you. It's on your toe. And one for you. That's it for today. Everybody have a beautiful evening, because that's when you'll see the videos.